If you're skipping these three Google programs, you're literally missing free swags, AI skills, and even certificates too. So in this video, I'll show you three most powerful Google programs which are active right now. Google Arcade, built with AI and Gen Academy application. So stay tuned till the end. Make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, hype the video, and share it with everyone. We are talking about the Arcade program first of all. Now, what is the Arcade program? So it is a part of Google Cloud team, and here we'll be learning about cloud skills start to free of course. All you need is just a Google Skills Boost account, how to create an account, how to earn arcade points. I've already made a video. I'll share the links in the description. From there you can watch it. So basically how the program works, let me just give you a brief overview of it. So first of all, you have to directly come to the skills.google.com over here and simply click on join over here. And then just register with any of the means like continue with Google or continue with email and password. After that, you have to just enter your date of birth. Mostly you have to enter a date of birth. If you are underage, just add a date of birth of 18 plus. Okay, just add a date of birth of 18 plus and you'll be able to register over here. After that, you have to just process some of the things over here. That is the first thing. You have to go to your profile settings and do one thing, that is make your profile public. You have to just click on this checkbox and update the settings over here. So once you have updated the settings, you have to come to the Arcade homepage. This is the website. Okay, then click on the subscribe here. You have to simply copy this email address from here and just come down over here and just paste it. Click on next and just come down and just select yes, and simply you are registered in this particular program. Now what you have to do, you have to just move ahead and start the game. It's very simple. You have to click on start over here. Here is the access code. You have to just copy this access code and simply carefully copy the access code and simply come over here, just click on join the game. How to join the game, let me just show you. So simply you have to just click on start over here, and from here just copy this particular access code like this, join the game. And after that, you can see multiple labs are there. You have to simply open each lab one by one. Okay. And then you can just read the instruction, or you can just check out the master sheet which I have attached, or the monthly game sheet. From there, you'll be able to complete all these labs without any issue, or you can just follow the instructions also. Simply have to start lab and perform all the things over here. It's a very simple program. And once you complete the lab, you'll be getting the badges over here. Once you complete the badges, you'll be getting the arcade points which you can use to redeem the swags. For more details, I've already covered in detail video. You can watch over there. Coming over here to the secondary program, that is mostly the new program that is built with AI. Now, this program occurs in multiple phases, that is offline, online, and even in bootcamp format. For offline format, they have some sessions. You can see over here that only few sessions are remaining. So if you can apply, you can see over here these cities are available. You have to simply click on register over here. After that, you have to simply enter your details, enter all your details over here, and after that what you have to do is select your cities and just registered over here. You'll be called here. What we have to do in the build with AI challenge, mostly they'll be giving you a chance to work with AI. Means you'll be building your AI agents, AI apps with the help of AI, that is using the anti-gravity ID. Coming over here to the another challenge, that is the prompt verse virtual. So it is currently live and you can attend it anytime at your home, Okay, so how to attend, it's basically divided into four phases. First of all, the challenge is released. Then you have to use anti-gravity, the AI tool, and AI ID to use and build some functional app. They'll be sharing the problem statement. For example, currently for phase 2, the problem statement is related to election. As you know, election is running. So like this, you have to make a project based on it. It's very simple. If you need a guide regarding it and detailed program guide, you can just comment down below. I'll share the playlist also. Also in the description, I have shared all the program related links, how to register and all the things over here. So these are the things. After you build your project, you have to do summation, live preview, and one more submission you have to do, that you have to write a technical blog, means what you have built. And after that, you'll be getting the prompt credits. It's just like the arcade credits, means arcade points you can say, which you can use to redeem the swags. Okay, so these are the things. After that, we have another program, that is the Gen Academy application. So cohort 1 recently ended and we have the Gen Academy application cohort 2. Anyone can participate. A lot of you are having confusion regarding the accounts. So do we have to participate with the same account with which you are participating in the arcade program? No. Here you have to use a different account, or maybe you can create a new account over here and just participate in this particular program. Nowadays in it, in the Genie Academy application, you'll be getting two tracks, whether you're a student, working professional, anyone can apply over here. Most important thing is that here you'll be getting workshops, you'll be learning from Googlers directly, completing some skills lab, code labs, and you will be strengthening your skills. You'll be getting cash prizes worth $10,000, goodies, and much more over here. How to participate, how to register, I've covered everything in detail. You can just check the video description. So this was a quick video I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. And here you can just explore. We have multiple events, multiple programs on the channel. So thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.